I'm not there right now. Hi, welcome back to Evolving Mail. So my hair's messed up. Yeah. So I saw this thing on Facebook. This little net thing that you put between the seats. Goes right between the two seats, and with our current COVID-19 thing, I thought it was kind of cool because you could have the net there and then put like pull wipes out or whatever. So anyway, so I got two of these on eBay, some eBay seller. It's a little deal here. Yeah, his and her matching. So I got this, just this little, it's like a little net, right? Looks like some kind of like lingerie for my truck. So anyway, well, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put hold on a second. Hold on. So we're gonna put it right here. Okay, so got a bunch of crap in my Jeep. I just stopped and got the mail, and there's mail everywhere. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this little net. I'm gonna hook it onto the headrest right here. Right there, hook it onto the headrest there. Take the other side. I'm gonna hook it onto the headrest right here. Right here, I'm gonna do it right there. So I got two there, and you got these two bungee straps right here. And take it down. I'm gonna hook one down here and one on the other side. Got that side. Now I gotta come over here and get the other side. So I really don't have anything to put it on. I'm just sort of making it up as I go along. I'm gonna find something to hook it down here on the bottom of the seat. Give me a sec. Okay, so it's kicking my butt a little bit, but what I have is a little trick up my sleeve. So I bought these things on these little things on Amazon a while ago, and they're basically like a little carabiner made of plastic, and they look sort of tactical or whatever. So I'm going to hook it underneath here somewhere, and then hook this to that, and I'm going to use this as a little hook. Okay, so I've got this little carabiner hooked on something right there, and I'm going to take this strap and I'm going to hook it to that carabiner. Okay, so I've got that hooked to the carabiner right there. So we're going to come up here and turn off my flashlight. That's off. Make sure my flashlight's off. I left my flashlight on the other day, and I tore it up. So it's my flashlight holder, my little cubby. So now I've got this little holder right here, and again, it's supposed to kind of keep dogs from coming through or something like that, but I've got it right there. So what I'm going to do right now is somewhere around here, like I've got a package of wipes, so I'm going to stick the wipes down here, and this would be like my little. I'm gonna get some paper towels so I can pull them out, but it gives me a little place to put some stuff to keep my COVID-19 kit right here, and I do like to have some gear and some gadgets. I did buy this little I got a little pack, little first aid pack here. Pretty cool. Got that on Amazon for like I don't know, 20 bucks, whatever. This comes off. You can put all kinds of, it's Velcro. But I bought those carabiners actually for this, so I can just it does have a thing here where you can, if you got the right kind of thing, if you got a Rubicon, you can put it on your little molly rack. But I don't have the Rubicon, so I put the carabiner so I can take it off pretty quickly. If someone gets hurt, I can snatch and go, basically. So anyway, that's that. That's my quick review on a little netting, just to have a little extra storage space, a little something put in there. So I'm a big fan of cookies, and I like traveling with cookies. I'm a cookie monster of sorts. So next time I go on a trip, I can take some cookies with me. Anyway, just wanted to drop in and say hi on this Thursday, and as always, hey, please hit like and subscribe, and see you guys soon. Take it easy. Thanks for coming to Evolving Mail.